The Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo stands out as a powerful and intelligent cleaning companion. Let's explore the remarkable features that set this device apart. The Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its sleek and modern design, it not only complements your home decor, but also offers a host of advanced features to enhance your cleaning routine. Equipped with a powerful 3000 pascals suction, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces, including hard floors and carpets. This high suction power ensures thorough cleaning and leaves your floors spotless. One of the standout features of the Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo is its quiet operation. Many traditional vacuum cleaners can be loud and disruptive, but this robotic cleaner operates quietly, allowing you to carry on with your daily activities without any disturbance. You can enjoy a peaceful environment while the device efficiently cleans your home. The Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo utilizes smart navigation technology to ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Equipped with advanced sensors, it can navigate around obstacles, detect drop-offs, and map your home to create a systematic cleaning path. This ensures that every corner and crevice is cleaned effectively, leaving no area untouched. With its smart navigation capabilities, the Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo optimizes its cleaning route, saving time and energy. Another impressive feature of the Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo is its compatibility with Alexa. You can easily control and monitor the device with simple voice commands, allowing for a hands-free cleaning experience. Whether you're busy with other tasks or simply prefer a convenient approach, you can instruct the robot to start or stop cleaning, change cleaning modes, or return to its charging dock effortlessly. The Ultenic robot vacuum and mop combo also offer a scheduling feature, allowing you to set specific cleaning times according to your preferences. With this functionality, you can ensure that your home remains clean even when you're away. The device will automatically start cleaning at the scheduled time and return to the charging dock when the cleaning cycle is complete. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.